Hey y'all, so if you watch my first Vingo, I am trying the Lingo CGM, the continuous glucose monitor. And I told you I'd be back after my first week to give you an update. So here's the update for you. So after my first week, this is the review it gave me. It walks you through this self-assessment or check in on how you think you did with your nutrition, your movement, and sleep quality. So you'll see me take that assessment, and then it kind of jumps right into your glucose data. So my average was 81, and then the lingo count is kind of the numbers of spikes and what it's trying to keep you in. Mine was 60 because that was the default, and I was maybe at 11 from what it looked like. And then it goes from there to kind of break down what that means, what was your median, what's the target, and if you were on track or not. The next screen, it shows you the days you were within target. It shows you my average step, meals, and how many spikes I had. I'm surprised how balanced I guess I am, or how my glucose stays in a healthy range. It also told me when was my highest count, which is when I had the most spikes, and it said it was the afternoon, which kind of tracks because the afternoon is my most unstructured meal time and I do a lot of grazing. On the screen, you can see that these were my highest things. I was surprised that the pizza was my lowest, but the cereal, popcorn, peanut M&Ms were the things that made me spike the most. I know right here it says my current target was 60, but it did update and it's actually 20 now. So it's not 60 anymore. It's now 20. So overall, I'm excited and intrigued on how my first week went. And this first week I've been on Christmas break. So we do start back school tomorrow. And I'm looking forward to see how it looks when I'm in the structure of my full work week and how my eating and blood sugars balance out with me working and doing my everyday day-to-day. I also was in the process of getting ready to change out to my new one. And I just wanted to refresh y'all when I was all scary and terrified to put the sensor on. And I think y'all think I was being dramatic for being as scared as I was. So I decided to show you exactly how that needle looked. Look at that. And also keep in mind, you have to stick yourself with that. This is how it looked when it came out. For the record, this didn't come out on its own. I bumped it against the trunk of my car and it snatched it out 4 days before I was supposed to change it. And the company graciously sent me a new one. So I get some extra 2 weeks. This is how my skin looked at the site of where the monitor came out at. No, it didn't hurt. When it came off, it was more like having a Band-Aid ripped off. And that's just what happened because the trunk of my car just snatched it clean out. So hopefully I could record and show you how to properly remove it. But as of now, I'm looking forward to now having an additional 2 weeks to try this out. So be on the lookout for another update. Thank you.